Hey everyone, this door wrap trick changes everything. If you ever wanted to make your fleet vehicle stand out, this is the video for you. Today we're doing a full color change on a Chevy Silverado, and we are addressing the driver's side door, adding our custom embossed logo using our wet apply technique. Let's go. So here's what we're working with. We got our color change vinyl, a custom cut logo decal, and our wet apply solution secret sauce. This method helps us to keep the logo in place while we do reposition the wrap. So no slipping and no guessing. So our first steps were to clean the surface. We use a mix of alcohol and water to make sure that the door is free of dirt and grease. This does help the vinyl stick better and last longer. And next, as you see, we place the logo decal right where we want it, basically dead center of the door. And this is the part that does get embossed later. As we mentioned, we will be using a wet apply, our secret sauce, to keep the logo in place while we work. Now we're laying the color change vinyl over the door. Because the decal is already in place, we can line everything up perfectly. The wet apply method that you will see me using our secret sauce gives us time to adjust before locking everything down. As we progress, just watch how smooth this goes on. No bubbles, no stress. And we're gonna be pressing from the center out using firm strokes to push out the fluid and any trapped air. So here's the magic. When we press that vinyl over the decal, it creates a raised effect. This is embossing. It gives that logo that 3D look that pops off the wrap. This is perfect for commercial wraps. It grabs attention and it shows off your brand in a bold way. If you run a business, this is a game changer. Fleet wraps like this turn your trucks into rolling billboards. You get brand exposure every time you hit the road. Whether you're a plumber, landscaper, or delivery service, this emboss wrap technique makes your logo stand out and stick in people's minds. So taking some last looks in this video, notice the clean color change. I am sharpening up the logo. There are some finishing moves, some finishing techniques. I'm using an air release tool right now to get rid of the bubbles and bring more detail to that logo. Essentially a pro level finish. If you want wraps that work as hard as your business does, guys, hit that like button and subscribe. Drop a comment if you want to see this technique on a full van or a trailer. And if you're in Miami or surrounding areas, guys, connect with me. The link is in our bio. We'll wrap it right.